So, as I was saying, so it can ask you for a specific value of x. Just say what is the value of x. That means you require a specific value. All the values can range. It can be range of products, or range of the prices of the products from 100 to 500, or it can be a true false value question. We'll talk about each one of them. So you need to study the question carefully, that whether it has asked for a specific value or a range of values, or is it a true false value. Okay. So let's talk about the specific value example. So we'll take a couple of examples in between also, so that you can understand and relate to it. A specific value, what is the value of x, y, and z? That's the question. So don't look at the answer, please. So a, x, y, and z are either 1, 0, or -1. So what does that mean? So value of x can vary like anything. 1, 1, 1. It can have the value 2. Also, it can have the value 0. Also, it can have the value -3. Also, it can have the value +3 also. So the value of x would be very difficult to find from the hint 1, hint A. Hint B, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 2. Correct. So over here, obviously, the answers are, the directions of the questions would be different. So x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 2. So even if I take the question as x plus y plus z ka whole square is equal to x plus y plus z is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus twice of xy plus yz plus zx, even then I won't be able to take the values. So what I have done is that I have taken the help of second along with the first, though I should not have done this. I should have tried for first and then second individually. So if I try second individually, I am nowhere close to the question. Hence, with second, I would not be able to come and close the question. And with both the together also, I am unable to find the answer. So hence, in this case, even with the help of both the statement, don't look at this. This will be different for the other thing. In spite of using the information for both these statements, I would not be able to find the answer. Now let's come to the next example. The gray that I have marked you is for this a true false value that I was referring to. This true false value. So is x greater than y? Now whenever this question where the is comes in, so is x greater than y? What do I need to answer? Whether I need to prove it that x is greater than y, or whether I need to disprove it. What I need to do is that I need to say true or false. So if it is true, then it needs to be 100% times true. And if I say the answer to the question is false, then it should be 100% times false. I hope you understood. So same will happen in question number 1, and same will happen in question number 7, and same will happen in wherever is the question starts with is. So that's what the meaning of a true false value type of questions. So is x greater than y? Let's try to solve these two questions also. X plus y is equal to 6. Correct. So is x greater than y? I won't be able to answer it. X plus 2k is equal to 15. Y plus k is equal to 10. So by using both these two, I can eliminate k, but I won't be able to answer of x and y. But I would be able to answer it with the help of both of them, because I will get two variables and two equations. And also one thing, आप लोग देखोगे कि कुछ क्वेश्चन में मैं क्वेश्चन के बहुत करीब जाके सॉल्व करूंगा और कुछ क्वेश्चन में बहुत दूर से कर लूंगा. ये इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक कॉल होती है. आपको क्वेश्चन के कितने करीब जाना है, क्या क्वेश्चन कितने दूर से सॉल्व करना है. डिपेंड्स अपॉन क्वेश्चन टू क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो, तो कितना आसान है या कितना डिफिकल्ट है. एक और क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Is the product of x and y greater than 60? Again, I need not prove that it is greater than 60. I just need to say whether it's 100% time true or whether it's 100% time false. So I can answer anything out of these two, and that would be good enough. So hint 1 says the sum of x and y is greater than 60. Sum of x and y is greater than 60. So 60 into plus 1, 61 is greater than 61. So if I multiply both of them, the product will be not greater than 60. Correct? And I will have examples on both sides. Less than 60 is also possible, and more than 60 is also possible. Correct? And 60 is also possible. Greater than y बोला है उसने, x product of x and y greater than equal to y नहीं बोला है. So 58 into 2 और 57 into 3 greater than y होगा, ये बात सही है बिल्कुल. But 60 into 1 will give you 60. That means the product will be 60. Hence this is one case